They're smiling for a reason, and it's not just because they've been admired for more than 300 years. This rare and captivating pair of Budai Heshang flower holders was made in Delft around 1700 at the renowned the Metaale Pot factory. Budai, better known as the Laughing Buddha, was a beloved figure in Chinese culture, celebrated for his generosity, abundance and infectious happiness. His image had already traveled across Asia in porcelain before arriving in Europe through Dutch East India Company trade. But in Delft something remarkable happened. He was reimagined. Dutch craftsmen kept his joyful spirit yet transformed him into something distinctly their own. One of the most charming surprises, the pear spout emerging from the top of each head, designed to hold fresh flowers. It's an ingenious blend of sculpture and function, turning a symbol of happiness into a conversation piece that would have delighted 18th century collectors just as much as it does today. These figures are more than decorative objects. They are ambassadors of a time when art, ideas and luxury goods moved between continents. Their story is one of inspiration, adaptation and the enduring human love for beauty and joy. And now, over 3 centuries later, they still have the power to make people smile. Did you enjoy this movie? Click here to watch another like it, or click the circle to subscribe to our channel and be notified when we upload new ones.